Hey guys, today I thought we would play some more Guts and Glory. I had no idea that did that. Sun? Oh my goodness, no, I already lost him and I haven't even pressed play. No, goodness. Alright, we'll play some official track. Welcome to Happyville. Cannons on Main Street. What a safe place, am I right? You guys, safe. No reason not for it to be safe. It's safe. I will say it one more time. Safe. Alright. If this will load, we can play Guts and Glory. If it does not load, I don't know. Right, I forgot I'm not using the mouse for this because it's too hard. Alright, come on, Sun. We got some nice tunes up here and yeah, oh no. Why didn't I pick Shrek to play this map? No! I'm already dead. Sun, I failed. Yeah, that's what I thought. Sun! Oh gosh. No! Stuck. Sun, where is my son? Literally, where is he? Where'd he go? Nowhere to be found. Never catch me over here. Oh, I may have been wrong. Why is there cannons on our street? We may have entered a contest, but it seems like a very unsafe contest. My son's dead. My son is definitely dead. At this point, I know that for a fact. He got hit with a cannonball. Okay. After this map, I think we should go play some community tracks. You are greatness incarnate. What? I don't know. But I lost my son. We need to go to the main menu now. My son is dead. Unfortunately. Let's go play some community tracks. Wow, such empty. Huh? Oh, this is one of them. Okay. Next time I'll actually get some tracks ready for us to play, some community ones. That's what I mean. You know what? This one seems safer than the rest. Never mind. This one seems harder than the next. Son, I'm sorry, but you may not be able to make this one. It's pretty difficult. Oh, I actually survived that one. It's okay, son. You're gonna survive this. Okay, just a few more, just into the cartoon world, and you should be fine. See? Yeah, see? Oh, I hope this is safe. Oh, actually made Son! Myself. Okay, son, you're back. Don't worry, buddy. It's okay, son. You're not dead. Should be happy about that. It's still okay, son. You are alive. Again. After my son's head is definitely not okay. Son, you have a problem that I cannot help you with, sadly. Oh, no. Donkey Kong right now? Seriously? Son, I need you. You're my shield. So I didn't get hurt but from Donkey Kong. Donkey Kong's wrath. Oh, I don't exactly get killed from it, which is good. And I don't have a health bar, which is even better. I don't have a personal best here because I seem to do terrible. Okay, can definitely get very much hurt on this one. My son's back. My son, you need to learn, this is why you need to learn how to walk today. Not use a bike for the rest of your life. It's okay, son, you're alive. That's the good, son? Oh no, my son is not okay. I will note that he's very much dead. Say it with me, dead. Guys, I gotta make it. Son, my son's back. They all thought he couldn't make it. Well, look at him now. On the floor. This one's hard. Donkey Kong's hard. This is Happy Wheels Guts and Glory Donkey Kong right here. And I'm missing an arm. My son is definitely, my son needs to go to the hospital, and I need to get my arm reattached. I need a stapler. Son! I got you. Okay. Got this. Son, you failed. Why can't you ride this bike too, you know? You could just ride this bike for me and not have to. My son, really, you have to. Oh, I'm doing good. I give up on this map. I'm sorry, you guys. It's too difficult. That's why we're going back to Happy Vale. Industrial power. Okay, son. To a happy place called Happy Vale. This is the safest place for bike riding, okay, son? Trust me on that. See? Safe. It's not gonna hit you. Maybe me, but not you. Maybe not me. Maybe it's you. Who knows? All I know is, son, we lost the bike contest. Okay, I need to catch up some speed, and I already lost. It's okay, son. We're making it. Come on, son. It's okay, son. We got this. Yes! Son, progress! Son! You're back. Thank goodness. Ah! Oh no. Son! I'm sorry that I failed. Son! Okay, go. Safe landings. Sorry, sir. That was not my fault. Son? Hello, sir. Safe landings again. Did I make it? No. Sadly not. This music, I don't know what to say about it. Son? You okay, buddy? Oh no! I seem to do no, I'm not getting anywhere in here. Son, your arrow is not in you anymore, which I am happy about. I just don't know how to get up there. Oh! I fell off my bike. Actually, where'd you go a second ago? Were you still on the bike? I wasn't paying attention. I can't. You're going overboard, son. Yeah, that's what I thought, son. Going overboard. Oh, no. No. I keep on forgetting about that. How do I ever forget about that? Oh, come on. What happened to my arm? Backflip this time, son. You'll be fine, son. Okay. Son, the arrow lodged in you is nothing. But that is definitely something. Ooh. Oh, so close. Son, why didn't you help me over there? Okay. It's not your fault. You're only 22. How old are you, son? Did I make it? I made it! Oh my goodness, finally. After so long. Don't die on me, son. Not today, son. Oh my goodness, son, you're still hanging on. Thank you, son. You've done us all well. Well, indeed. Don't know how to make that. I need to go back to this last one. Hello, truck. I don't know how you ended up with that. Son, it's okay. You're still alive, right? You're better than before. It's me who needs to go to the hospital this time. Well, look at that. Oh, no. Next track. Next track. No. Next track. There we go. Rooftop pop. Okay, son. Even safer than before. We are on top of houses. Get out of here. There you go. Safe. Safety. Stop rolling down the hill, sir. It's not safe like that. You gotta use a bike. Oh my gosh, I believe I can fly. Son? Oh, I'm so sorry, son. I did not mean to do that. Get. How in the world does that happen? Gotta speed up. Oh, I missed badly. And my son doesn't look too well. I have an idea, you guys, to help this look better. Slow motion. Kind of. Slowed it down a little bit. Alright. I need to redo this because my son does not know how to bike ride. Alright. Son, we made it. We didn't make it. Sorry, son, we sadly did not make it. It's close, son. Oh, son! Son! It's okay, son. You're back. This is all that matters. Oh, what'd I click? Click the restart button. Son, your good name shall live on. I probably shouldn't have took you on this bike ride trip in the first place. I'm gonna slingshot you back home, okay, buddy? There you go, buddy. Go home. Why are you still on my bike? This is a very unsafe bike riding trip today. You restart from this area. Sun, you're alive. Sun, oh, Sun! We made it. I made it. You didn't, but it's okay, Sun. Yay. Next track. Okay, this will be the last track, and I think I will end it after this track, okay? It depends how long it takes me to beat this. Sun, I actually have no idea how I'm gonna do this one. That is why I'm going around. Or not. They don't seem to let me go around, unfortunately. Sun, don't know if I'm gonna be able. Oh, I have an idea. Wants us to go through the center now, does it? Yeah. Did I make it? Oh, I was so close. I'm somehow. Oh, now I'm not alive. Oh, that's horrific. No, you guys, I forgot to tell you, don't watch this if you don't like blood and all that. But as you can see, I kind of already started this video, so. Sun, survive, Sun. How am I still on my bike? Sun, are you okay? You're not okay, Sun. Oh, this is gonna be hard. I wonder. Oh, glitched out of the map there. Not terrible. Oh, so close! Come on. How do you make this? Sit, go. Oh, that was so close. Okay, I think I have an okay solution, but I doubt it's gonna work. Oh, that actually worked. Oh my goodness. Sun. Thank goodness we only have to start from this part. Sun. Okay, because he's still alive. Sun, I heard you scream. Sun, you're not okay. I can't see. Sun, I don't know how past this. Sun, you're gonna die. Most likely. Heh, it made it. It's okay, Sun, we're still alive. Maybe not, Sun. It's not looking too good here. Got one of the hardest parkours. I think I'm just gonna go around here. Get it. Sun, I don't know how to pass it. Did I get it? No, I didn't. Of course I didn't. Sun, I had such a good idea, but no. You kind of weren't helping me anymore here. Ooh, Sun. I'm sorry. How tragic that was for you. Oh, come on. You all saw that. Oh, wow, just wowing. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, Sun. We did it. You guys, that's the end of today's video, and I will see you soon, I guess, and bye.